but still
In November, one of Britain's national treasures returned to our screens in a really big balloon.
David Attenborough.
Looking down from 2 miles above the surface of the Earth, it's impossible not to be impressed by the sheer grandeur and splendor of the natural world.
David Attenborough.
Nice. As if Daddy told me once David Attenborough is the best naturist ever existed on planet Earth, literally. Well, see, that's where we live, wasn't it? That's the whole Earth. Planet Earth 2. 2. The sequels. No one knew as good as the first one, is it? It can be. Name a film better than Star Wars.
The programme featured one of the Galapagos Islands, where a unique reptile lives and breathes.
Green iguanas lay their eggs in sand. In June, when hatchlings emerge, they're vulnerable. They must join the adults at the edge of the sea, but the journey will be a dangerous one.
What on that island can eat there?